unlock the dog? Yeah, you got it. The best actor of 2016 for dog sounds.